Alright, here's the Holmes Blizzard. This is the one I got put out this week. And I'm going to test both of them just for the heck of it. This one's actually in better shape compared to the other one. It's cleaner than the other ones. Also, the knob is a little messed up. Alright, now for high. Yeah, this thing definitely does move more into the Holmes antique looking thing. It's kind of sad, actually. Someone was looking at it, I'm like, 25 bucks, it's not too strong, so I wouldn't get it. Alright, now to do spin down. So, yep, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos to come.